Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new Scoop, Free Assembly, and Sofia Vergara. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So first of these new skirts from Scoop, they have that smocked waistband, it's flowy. On the website it says that they're maxi length. I feel like they're midi, but I guess it depends how tall. Comes in the floral, also in the white, and these are $26. Also new white denim from Scoop. These say they are a oversized wide leg, sits at the waist, flowy through the front, and then the same fit through the back with elastic, and they are going to be $26. New peplum from Scoop. This one has that plunging V, flutter sleeve, tie in the waist, flowy with the elastic going around. In the white and black floral, also comes in the green, and they're going to be $24. New barrel leg jeans from Scoop. These are high rise. They have that seam detail, whiskering, and then pockets in the back. They're going to be $28. How cute is this new vest from Free Assembly? So this one has the scallop trim, the little tie detail, the embroidery, and then the same fit through the back. And they are going to be $24. My favorite basic tees from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline. They are more fitted in the gray, blue, white, black. I think they also added red to the website, and they're $8. New halter neck top from Sofia Vergara. So this one has that crisscross detail to textured flowy material, open back with the elastic in the blue, black palm, also the pink and green and black palm, and they are going to be $16. And then to match, they have the pull-on pants. So these have that flat front, elastic through the back, nice and flowy in both of those prints, and they're $22. New denim skirt from Scoop. So this one has the fading, this little seam detail color block on the sides, and then pockets in the back, and these are $24. New color in the cardigan from Scoop. This one has that rounded neckline, fabric covered buttons, the same kind of fit through the back. We saw the black, now it's in the solid white. That one looks like, and they're $34. Sneak peek sweater set from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the thin strap, it has a squared neckline, it is lined, squared on the back in the black and white, and these are $22. Skirt to match has the pull-on waist, midi length, it is sheer, I guess up until after the knee point, and then the same fit through the back. It has the slit on the one side, and they're going to be $26. Right next to that, I didn't get a chance to tell you guys, but they did stock these in all sizes. I know when I showed them in my haul, they were only available in plus, but now they have extra small too, I think either 3 or 4X. But these have that squared neckline, the thicker straps, full button, has that same fit with the seam in the back, and they're $28. Also new color block denim from Scoop. These are high rise. They have the whiskering, the panel on the side, and then the seam fit through the back, and they are going to be $28. They also have a new crew neck tee from Scoop. This has that high neckline, fitted through the front, seam fit through the back, in the white, also in black, and they are $9. Sneak peek shorts from Free Assembly. These have the tie, pockets, relaxed fit, the same fit through the back, and these are $22. They have white, and then they also have that mid-tone denim. Also new sweater tank from Scoop. So this has that higher neckline, this little rib detailing, also the rib trim, really good length in the green, also comes in the black, and they are going to be $18. New dress from Scoop. So this one has the plunging V, this little bow detail, has the puff sleeve, flows out in this pretty lavender. I'll have it linked. I did see these in a couple stores, so even though it looks like it's online only. New short denim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thicker straps, the scoop neckline, full button, shorter length. You could see the seam detail through the front, and then the back. It kind of flows out just a little bit of an A-line, and they are going to be $32. Most requested, most asked about jeans, they brought them back. They're from Sofia Vergara. They're high-rise fitted, and then they have this super oversized bell flare at the bottom, the seam through the back. These are nice and thin. And they have them online in the light blue color, and they're $26. They also have them in the white. But these are so good. Do not wait. They do not restock them until next year. Also new belted jeans from Sofia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the belt, pockets. It's a wide leg. This one is the straight super high rise wide leg. And they are going to be $26. Also new puff sleeve top from Free Assembly. So this is a thicker kind of stretch material. It's really soft. It has that plunging V, the little shoulder detail with the ribbing, relaxed fit, ribbed bottom, same kind of fit through the back, and they're $20. And it also comes in the navy. New color in this boat neck top from Free Assembly. So this one has that straight across hem, the little cuff on the side, relaxed fit. It's the same through the front and back. We saw the stripe. It also comes in the white, and these are going to be $12. Also new wide leg jeans from Free Assembly. So these look like they're mid-rise, the two pockets, cropped with the cuff in the stripe, and they're $26. New Free Assembly denim shorts. So these have the button zip, these two front pockets. Also has the pockets on the back. It says patch pocket short, and these are $18. New dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thin strap, the little ruffle, elastic at the waist, nice oversized flowy skirt, and then it continues around the back in the blue and white stripe, also in the solid white with the eyelet, and these are going to be $34. New denim from Sofia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the belt, the flat pocket, nice and flowy with pockets in the back. This is the Margot wide leg super high rise, and they are $28. Comes in this mid-tone, also in that really dark wash. New blouse from Scoop. So this has a scoop neckline, the same detail, little shoulder detail, banded wrist, relaxed fit through the front and the back, and they are going to be $24. New tops that match back to those plaid skirts. So I don't, oh wait, they're over there. But these have the smocking, the little tie, cropped through the front and the back. That's such a cute set. These are $18. And then this skirt has the smocked waist, a drawstring, flowy, and then the same through the back, and these are $26. Also new belted skirt from Free Assembly. So this is a full button, has the tie, that same detail, fit and flare, with elastic in the back, in the stripe with the orange gray lime, and then the stripe that we saw in that dress with the blue, and they are $26. New crochet top and skirt set from Free Assembly. So this has that scoop neckline, the flutter sleeve, ribbed bottom. It's a pointail knit. This is the extra small, so it is more of an oversized fit. In the yellow, also comes in the white and black, and they're $22. Also new in that same sweater material, these drop tier skirts from Free Assembly. They have that elastic waistband, flowy fit, in both the yellow, also in the white. It doesn't have any black, and those are $24. Also new poplin dresses from Free Assembly. These have the bow sleeve, functioning buttons all the way down, fit and flare with the smocking in the back. Comes in the stripe, how cute, and then also this blue and white, and they're $34. New eyelet top from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar. It's a shorter boxy fit with the scallop trim, full button with that same fit through the back. It does have that eyelet running through the back, and these are going to be $24. Sneak peek dress from Free Assembly. It has that plunging V, the flutter sleeve, elastic in the waist, flowy, tiers, and then the same fit through the back. Only seeing this lime color, and they're $35. New dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, square neckline, fit and flare. It's a seersucker with the smocking, all the embroidered lemons, and they are $34. New dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thin strap, squared neckline, seam detail at the waist, has that band to flowy skirt with the smocking in the back. Comes in white and navy. It's a little bit of a drop tier, so it's going to sit on the hips, and they are going to be $36. New cargo pants from Free Assembly. These have the button zip, seam detail, the cargo pockets, relaxed fit with the flat pockets in the back. And these are going to be $26. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. So this one has the smocking at the top, oversized poplin skirt. That same fit through the back, comes in the purple, also looks like just the purple, and these are $30. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. This one has the smocking, the little puff sleeve, flowy skirt through the front, and then it continues around the back. Comes in the white, also in the purple, and they're going to be $28. Also new flutter sleeve dresses from Scoop. This is a textured material, has that flutter sleeve, the little gathering tie, flowy through the front and back. In the orange, like coral, also in the white, and they're $30. Also new sweater vest from Free Assembly. This one has that crew neckline, sleeveless, ribbed bottom, in the white, also comes in lime, pink, navy, and white stripe, and they're $14. To match back to the striped pants, they have the vest. So these have the thick strap, V neckline or squared neckline, the pearled buttons, 2 slotted faux pockets, the same fit through the back. They have it in both the blue and the gray. Those are $28. New scuba shorts from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, flowy, the side pocket in the black, also comes in the gray, and they're $16. New high neck top from Scoop. High neckline, full buttons, has this little gathered detail, a gathered wrist with the button. I thought it was elastic, and then that same fit through the back. These are going to be $24. Also new eyelet trim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thin strap, the ruffle with the little tie, elastic in the waist, flowy with that same kind of scalp eyelet trim. Also comes in that blue and white stripe, and they're $34. Also new cropped scuba tees from Scoop. These have that crew neckline, the drop sleeve, boxy fit through the front and the back, in the gray, also comes in black, and they are $16. So this one has that crew neckline, full button, the puff sleeve with the ribbed bottom, in the blue, also comes in the white, and they're $26. Also new pull-on wide pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, linen material, nice and flowy through the front and the back. In the blue stripe, also comes in the gray, and they are going to be $30. Also new fit and flare dress from Scoop. So these have the thicker strapped, a pawnee knit, has that scoop neckline, seam detail at the waist, flowy, and then squared in the back, and these are going to be $28. New dress from Free Assembly. So this has that scoop neckline, it has that flutter sleeve, it's a linen texture with the belt, also has the side pockets, it's same flowy fit through the back. In the green floral, also comes in the white and blue floral, and they are going to be $28. New long shorts from Scoop. These are high rise, they have the side pocket, relaxed through the leg with the pockets on the back. In the white, also comes in that light chambray, and they're going to be $22. Lots of bold prints and colors. These are new dresses from Sofia Vergara. They have the thin strap, this little knotted detail, dropped here, that same fit through the back. In the green, also comes in the black, and they're $26. New linen short from Sofia Vergara. So this one has a belt, has the high rise, this little paper bag trim with the side pocket, flowy through the front and the back. In the black, also comes in the white with the black, and the shorts are going to be $24. New little tank dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, it's sleeveless, seam detail at the waist, flowy with the eyelet trim, that same fit through the back, and they're $28. Also new longer length dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, the little ruching cutout, tiers, flowy, and then the smock through the back, and they're $34. New dresses from Sofia Vergara. So these have that halter neckline with the braided strap, sleeveless, pleated, flowy, with the keyhole in the back. Comes in this black floral, also in the green Aztec print, and they're $30. New dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, square neckline, fit and flare. It's a seersucker with the smocking, all the embroidered lemons, and they are $34. Also new slim fit cardigans from Free Assembly. These have that scoop neckline, full functioning buttons, ribbed wrists with that same fit through the back in the navy. Also comes in that new pink. There's a lime and an ivory, and they're $18. They also have the little Free Assembly dress. I think these are very limited in this print and color, but it has the square neckline, balloon sleeve, smocking through the back, and they're $26. There's that gray color, and then how pretty is this pink? New set from Free Assembly. This one has this smaller collarful button. The rhinestone detail has the cuff sleeve. We did see this one in the white and the blue stripe, and now they also have the shorts to match. So these are pull-on, flowy, the same kind of rhinestone detail. They only have the stripe here, and these are going to be $24. This top from Scoop is also on sale online. This one has that scoop neckline, balloon sleeve. It's a little zipper, and it goes up to that point. Same kind of fit through the back. Really nice, like basic white poplin top. Regularly $24. On sale for $15.99. The Scoop jacket's also on sale online. This one has the mock neck, toggle at the waist, banded wrist, drop sleeve, really good length. New blazer from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar lapel, the tortoise button, relax through the wrist. It is completely lined. They're going to be $38. New top from Sofia Vergara. This one has the ribbing. You can wear it on or off the shoulder. Oversized balloon sleeve with the drawstring, and then the same fit through the back, and they are going to be $22. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this reminds me so much of House of CB. It has the thin strap, the scoop, the little tie, seam detail on the waist, flowy with the smocking in the back. So first are these new fit and flare dresses from Free Assembly. They have the thicker strap, squared neckline, seam detail flows out, and then it's seam fit through the back. Comes in this floral print. They're $36. Also new dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin strap, the little twist fit, and then the drop tier with the smocking in the back. And these are $26. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.